We are about to start the second set. And it was the Philippine Army winning that first set 25-20. And medyo nagbago ang ihip nung hangin after Mikmik Laborte just, you know, was kept on attacking. Sayang nga, sabi ni Coach Ibanez. Let's see the numbers from him.
That's right. Well, despite, you know, you can see here that in terms of attacks, the Philippine Army scored 18 as compared to 15 of the Philippine Navy. But what was better in the performance of the Philippine Army was that they had more block points, made 2 service aces as well, and they had fewer errors.
That's right. And Michelle Carolino getting that point. Again, those numbers brought to you by Maynila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League.
Well, speaking of our top scorers for the Philippine Army, you have Balse with 5, Bunag with 4, Dakis with 3. For the Philippine Navy, we have Laborte with 7,
Yun.
Roses with 4, and Cruzada and Bautista tied with 3.
Alright, those are the top scorers, and would like to greet, sabi sa inyo, marami ho may birthday nito. Buwan na to, happy birthday, Wilson Dodong Dikembe Latombo. In advance, tama ba to, 50th birthday? Goryo the Truckenya.
Isang, month-long birthday celebration.
Ay, sasama pa natin, may pahabol pa, belated happy birthday to Channel 4's Nestor Jojo Racelis. Last August 21. A lot of birthday celebrants.
It's gonna be a fun month, and lalo na sa September. Ay, syempre, it's gonna be a fun month, lalo na sa September. Dahil ang ating kasama dito si Mr. Barry Pascua magse-celebrate ng birthday niya.
Barry, the Christmas Pascua.
Oo.
Nice block there on Michelle Carolino by Prochina. South Africa. And we're seeing so many great exchanges, and not only are the, you know, the young players contributing, but also the more senior ones like Prochina going up for the block and trying to get that point against the younger Carolino.
How can you get that attack? See how fast that even one of the best liberos that we have here couldn't handle. Look at this. Ang bilis ng balik ng bola.
Galing.
Hindi mahaba yung wind-up ni Nene doon eh. She just really got it from the top. Kaya kita mo yung bagsak ng bola, ang bilis.
Reyes with a poor reception. Can't wait for that September birthday celebration, huh?
Yes, of course. I'm looking forward to the merienda.
Nice serve from Suzanne. Nice from Carolino, but good coverage by Galido.
Back set, but that one was already too late. Actually, Carolino wasn't prepared to take on that attack.
That's right. And Ersi Irahetay actually faked her teammates. Kala niya ibibigay na sa gitna kay...
Na-fake.
Na-fake din. Pati si Carolino, hindi na nag-approach si Mayet. Suzanne with the serve. Nice set to Ging Balse.
Net violation.
Prochina.
On that Laborte or Prochina.
Prochina called for that net violation. Ging Balse on your screens. Defending the middle. M. Carolino with a serve to Galido. Blocked by Rachel. Did you ever think that you'd see them side to side? Ging Balse and Rachel.
Same team.
Going up for a double block. Diba? Diba? The FUUST.
It's really nice actually to see the players now mixed, diba? You know, in these teams that they now belong to. Yung mga dating magkakalaban, ngayon teammates na.
Off speed from Laborte to Ers Iratay. Rachel getting it through the block.
Another point there from Bautista.
And the playing coach making her first entry into the game. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Nene Ibanez was the most dominant attacker during her stint with the national team. They won the gold in the Southeast Asian Games, and I remember very clearly that she was the one who scored like 5 of the last, 10 or 8 points needed to win that gold.
And you know, it's really nice to see that actually seeing them play now, it just goes to show how much passion and how much love they have for the sport.
Exactly. Prochina getting the point, like what I told you. Prochina wouldn't mind, you know, going up against these younger players. 6-all. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300. Philippine Army is on top 7-6. With Ging Balses serving. Mikla Borte getting it past the double block. Rachel down the line to Nene. Nene Ibanez punching it over. Again, it is Rachel.
Through the blockers.
It is now 8-6. Rachel Andakis getting the final 2 points to go into the first technical timeout. We'll be right back.
It's perfect.